Hi everybody, this is Karen from Desco Artistry, and today I'm making a special piece in honor of Ukraine. So here we go. I've taped off a line just so I can separate my two colors. Of course, I'm using a Folk Art Aqua pre-mixed pouring paint right now. I'm adding in some of turquoise, and I'm using my wedge just to blend the colors back and forth. Making sure that line is covered as I can get it. And then I'm adding a little bit of white, and I'm using my spatula just to make some clouds. Okay, let's remove this tape and start with our yellow. I will list all the colors for you down below. So I'm going to start adding my colors randomly, just really dripping them across this yellow. I love the sour apple green. Such a fun color. I decided I needed a little more depth, so I started adding a few of the deeper colors like this purple. And I did change my view just so I could swipe this in the way I needed to. And I will be using a wet paper towel to swipe with. Love it. Okay, so next step is I blew up one of my gloves, and I am using it to smash into my paint. I'm making sure that I'm wiping in between each time as to not to muddy my paints or colors. I torch in between, and now I am taking a 30 milliliter cup and I'm using it to make some different sized flowers. Again, just smashing it into the paint, giving it a little twist, pulling it up, cleaning it off, and go again. I'm tilting just to stretch this out a bit. And I want to get kind of a leaf action going on in here. So I'm just using the edge of my spatula to pull some of that green through. Torching. And we torch to pop any bubbles that are coming up. And it also helps to create some beautiful cells and lacing. And I'm still using the bottle of that cup just to manipulate the paint around a little bit. And I'm sorry for the glare when I'm tilting. I love pouring and swiping with intent. When you have an idea in your head, trying to manipulate the paint to make that vision happen. If you can't tell, this is sped up quite a bit. Like I said, I really did want to take my time with this piece. I knew we had tons of color hidden underneath, so I'm just swiping off some of that excess paint, and I'm redoing some of these leaves. Torching. I hope you enjoyed this.